Hola. Okay, in this lesson we're going to talk about the verb querer. Above the video you can take a look at the conjugations. It does have a stem change, and that means that it doesn't follow the usual rules of conjugation that regular verbs do follow, simply because there's an added I in most of the forms, with the exception of the nosotros form. So instead of saying, let's say, yo quiero, we say yo quiero. There's an I added in there. So if you take a look at that, just make a mental note. Querer is a stem change verb. However, querer is so commonly used, you should just memorize how it sounds and practice with it enough that you would know that the regular conjugation of it is incorrect because you've never heard it that way. It sounds really funny. It's such a common verb, you'll hear it a lot and you'll use it a lot. So it shouldn't be difficult to remember the conjugations of it once you start practicing. Anyway, so make sure you do take notes of those and study them so that you know how to conjugate the verb, and that'll make everything easier for you with future practice. And if you continue to study Spanish, you'll use querer a lot. We love talking about what we want. So querer means to want. Here are 3 examples of sentences with querer. Yo quiero un libro. I want a book. ¿Quieres agua? Do you want water? People ask that to children all the time. Do you want some water? ¿Quieres agua? Remember, this is the tú form of querer. ¿Quieres? This is the yo form. Quiero. Okay, and then we have the nosotros form down at the bottom. Queremos. Queremos comida. We want food. So you can use querer to talk about something that you want. Un libro, a book, agua, water, comida, food. You can talk about things that you want, right? You can also talk about things you want to do. So if you want to say, I want to sleep, if I had to guess what you probably want to do, you would use quiero. This is I want, and then the infinitive of whatever verb it is that describes what you want to do. Quiero dormir. This literally means I want, and dormir means to sleep. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. So let's say she wants, ella quiere. That's the conjugation for the ella form, quiere. She wants to read a book. You can hear my dog barking. Gonna have to go see what he's doing. Okay, she wants to read a book. Ella quiere. She wants. Leer, to read. Un libro, a book. She wants to read a book. So we can talk about things that we want to do by using verbs in the infinitive. Or we can talk about just simple items that we want. Quiero un libro. I want a book. Quiero leer un libro. I want to read a book. Okay, so those are the 2 ways that we usually use querer. There are more, but we're not going to learn them right now. Querer is a very, very, very common word. I'm not sure, I would have to look this up, but I would say it's in the top 5 verbs that you'll use the most and that you'll see people using the most and hear people using the most. So definitely an important one to study and to learn and to be comfortable with using. I think it was probably the most useful verb when I was studying abroad, to be able to ask for things or say things that you need or want to the people around you. So it's really important. Also, people will tend to ask you if you want things using the verb querer, so it's easier to understand them if you know the verb very well. Another thing is if you go to a restaurant and you're not sure how to ask for something, you can always use the verb querer. You can order from a menu saying, quiero, I want this, or I want this, I want this, and then just add por favor at the end, and it should sound polite enough to get by. So querer is a very, very useful verb, and I want to make sure that you do study it and have the conjugations memorized, and we'll practice in the activity below.